One.
Hi, Miss Barbara. This is Mo. I really appreciate talking with you earlier. I did tell you that I was going to shoot this video and show you this 2015 Ultimate. Unfortunately, that 2014 does not have leather seats, nor does it have moonroof. So I did not want to shoot the video on that, but I do want to show you the inside of this video. Follow me. You have heating and cooling seats up in the front. You have memory seats. You have power seats on driver and passenger side with navigation. You also have a Miss Barbara, you also have a panoramic sunroof. And this here is the why is it down like this? Here we go. Look at the interior, Miss Barbara. That is really nice. With panoramic. Also, you have a power tailgate. Now, this vehicle does not have a third row seat, but you do have a spare tire, extra departments for storage. You do have a backup sensor, and you also have backup camera. When you get this video, give me a call back at area code 205-380-6250, extension 4314, if you have any questions. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.